Okay, so the question, we've had this question, but there's a slight difference to this one. When replacing a 7, 8, or 9-year-old burst geyser, would you precaution also to change the PRV that is still going strong, since the new geyser would also last another 9 years? In other words, the PRV probably wouldn't. The plumber says it's not necessary. The plumber wants to charge extra if I insist. Question mark.
I would agree with the plumber. I would agree with the plumber at this point, because if the PRV has not failed, there's no need to change it. If you insisted on having it replaced, which I could understand why you would want to, you might not be within that limit, and it's probably not going to be within that limit, so there would be an additional cost. He is working, if he's a call center plumber, very close to those limits, and it's probably a case that valve is not included. So he would probably not. If you were to replace that geyser and not replace the PRV, you would be in no different position than replacing it, because in time when that PRV did fail, you would still be able to go through the repair section of the geyser and have that replaced at a later date. So it would still be able to fall under geyser repair in a year's time, in 6 months' time, whatever the case might be, on the basis that it wasn't replaced now and now it has failed. So I would agree with the plumber. If it's not failed, don't replace it. If you want to replace it, you're probably going to have to pay for it.